Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So in this one we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So sine of b over 4, that is about the square root of number 2 over number 2. Similar for this one. Now we can do about factorization. Next, we will put about the negative on numerator and the denominator in here. So the negative will change the sign of this one, and that is about cosine x minus sine x. Next, we need to simplify this one over this one. Next, I will put b over 4 go in here. And this one, we have negative number 3 with the square root of number 2 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.